Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, traders around the world. This is Phil V at Trade Capital Markets. Today is the 25th of April, 2025, and we are going live right now. Market open is in 6 minutes. Let's share the charts, see what we got. All right, perfect. All right, so over here we have sell side, over here we have buy side, up top over here. This zone is the bottom of a bullish breaker. Before yesterday's first presented fair value gap and a 1 hour inversion over here. They all lined up at the optimal trade entry spot, which is 61.8% retracement all the way to 78.6% retracement. So the plan is maybe go short into the weekend or nothing at all. But we'll see what the price action tells us to do. Because if we break below this over here, like a break with a body break, not just wicks like this, a body break below this, I'll have a tendency to short it all the way until at least these equal lows over here, right here. And that would be the 50% retracement of the whole move. So right here, 50% of this whole move. So yeah, that's the plan for now. Keep our eyes peeled. See what type of market structure it offers above these highs if it gets there. And if it doesn't break below these, we'll see if we could get some shorts in for today. But yeah, as long as it doesn't break above here or below here, no trade for today. Unless there's something obvious. Let's do a little price action exercise. Yesterday wasn't really clean price action. Anyways, that's what I think. So I see here there was a break from this leg to that leg. There was a break, then a retracement, and a continuation upwards. So it's like, and multiple breaks. First break over here, second break over here, and then we broke these highs again. So yeah, yesterday's a nice bullish day. But let's say if there was a break in price action, market structure shifted. Well, it was a good way to induce short sellers and then continue higher. Currently 9:31, market open. Tapped into this first presented 1 hour fair value gap. That's what I would have liked to short it. Let's see if it goes back into it, but I doubt it. This could be our first presented fair value gap if it leaves it open. And there's the short. Little volume imbalance, gap down. I remain patient. Straight through the first presented fair value gap. It's interesting. I'll probably use the first percentage fair value gap as a entry. Wow. You know what? Let's see. Let's see. If it breaks above. If we come back down below here, I'm going to use this first presented fair value gap as a way to short into these relative equal lows. Not much to say for now. Settling above the first presented, oh no, the 1 hour fair value gap that we had identified here on the left. Stopping at the 70% retracement of this leg over here that made the new lows from that retracement. I have a feeling it might reverse, go a bit lower. We have yet to see. This is impressive. Okay, so we wicked above those highs. Coming back lower. Like I suspected, unless this is a big up candle and close above. There it comes. So a break below first presented fair value gap would be ideal for me in order to come and take these lows. Because right now we stopped at the 70% retracement of this leg, and it had created like a sort of, oh, it's a change in market structure. I think I'm going to buy it. I'm going to be a buyer at the first presented fair value gap right here. Because it's going to act as an inversion paired with this and if it doesn't go straight through, and yeah, we're going to go for some maybe some new highs. We'll see. That order block over here. below the low. Probably gonna have a break below. Yeah. Let's see what we could do. I just want it to close above. Like no bodies break below. Wicks is fine. Wicks are definitely fine. And possible target is this. Right here. It was a nice little inversion first presented fair value gap too. I was impressed. Yeah, it's pretty nice, pretty neat. I just don't like this. It's paired with an it's a bullish and yeah, it's might be deadly. Might be deadly for us. So is a fair value? Yeah, yeah. I thought so. Okay, interesting. That's we're gonna have a break below. If we come back to break even, I'll take it. I'll take it out. Okay, so I didn't think fast enough. I will leave it there. Fuck it. Hit the. If we hit a stop loss, we hit a stop loss. That's it. That's all. But I do think we will get stopped out over here. Yep. Yeah, no. It's gonna go straight down. Watch this. It just touched the first percent fair value gap. Unless we have a miracle, but I doubt it. Yeah, that's what I thought. Let's see. Yeah, this is going straight down. All right, well, first loss of the month. Okay. It doesn't, I guess, doesn't want to pass that consequent encroachment of that order block. Let's see if we can make our way higher from here. Yeah, no. No, it's still resisting. That's so interesting. Okay, maybe I rally into the weekend. Yep. Yeah, there's going to be a stop loss. There it is. And we got stopped out. Okay. That was my fault, everyone. I did not follow the plan. It's all good. Let's see if we get a break below this. Take the inverse trade. I go for these stop loss above here. I'm gonna go for these equal lows. Oh, it's 2-1. Oh, come on. All right. The only reason why I took this is because this made a retracement here, broke this low. This is like a interleg market structure, so on this retracement. Yeah, let's show this path. So now we're still playing within this leg. It doesn't make a new low. So this is like the lowest spot again. New high, low, high, over here. So now technically we would be trading within that leg. Within this leg. This is going to be a 1-to-1. I do not like how it's not able to pass over here. Now I created a bullish fair value gap. If it would have went back over here, I think I would have shorted again. Let's see if it retraces back up, where would be a good point to start shorting. Okay, around here. If it reaches back here, we'll pull another short. Whoa, big moves, big moves, big moves. What is going on? Wow, we're gonna get stopped out. Double time. So I'm not. Let's see. I'm not feeling this. If we come back to first percent fair value gap, I'll take it out. Unless that was a really big push to take some stops out, but I doubt it. Yeah, exactly. Oh well. Okay. Not feeling it. Well, let's see. Come on, get pushed down. Less. That's terrible. We're gonna get stopped out. Unless there's a reversal right here at the consequent encroachment and bodies don't remain above. Okay, I want to see a reversal here. That was a quick manipulation right there. Very fast. Some action lower, a little bit lower. Okay. If we come back to break even, I think I'm gonna too much risk on this trade. Yeah, that was it. That was it, folks. That was a retracement that was needed to come take these highs. Unless they keep fighting off this 1 hour fair value gap. Wow. Wow. No freaking way. At this point, I think the goal is just to hold on. Just to hold on, go get those equal lows. And that's the goal for this. Oops. Take profit. Come get these equal lows. I just don't. Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah. Straight through. I'm not going to move the stop loss. It's going to be my second loss, and that's it. Yeah, we're dead on this candle. Pretty sure we're dead on this candle. Pretty sure we're dead on this candle. There we go. All right, so 2 losses for the day. First one was a small one. Second one was a bigger one. Sometimes we win, sometimes we lose. Today's a loss. Let's see where this stopped. Interesting. In all honesty, today I think I should have not traded because yesterday we had a large range day. So today was going to be whipsaw, but I forgot about that. That happens sometimes. First trade was a good trade. It's just that I think my my stop was the wrong stop. So let me explain why my stop was the wrong stop on the first trade. So first trade I took a buy over here, all right? And let me explain to you why my first trade was the wrong trade. That was the wrong stop because so the market structure when it shifted over here above here, right? What I used as the leg was this shift over here above here. Okay, but it wasn't this shift because in order to have a shift in market structure, the bodies have to break above the highs and close above. They didn't, right? So I took this first leg, which was my mistake, and I should have taken this full leg over here. So something like this. This, this, because it did not close lower. No body over here closed below this low all the way to here. That was supposed to be the leg that I was working in. But I took this little leg, got stopped, ripped, went up. That's fine. I hope this session was insightful for you guys and girls around the world. Uh, I don't always win, but certainly a mistake that I did today was first mistake. So I did two mistakes. So first mistake was not taking the low of this leg when I was trading the buybacks over here at the first presented fair value gap. And second of all, let me show you. I'll just put the executions. Second mistake was I augmented my size, right? So I averaged in, I should have averaged in, should have averaged down. So this should have been, let's say, or if I want to trade like that and average in, I should have taken 100 here and 100 there and keep the same size, not 200 here, 200 there. So I over leveraged a little bit. That was the second mistake. Oh, third mistake. So 3 mistakes today. 3. Third mistake is I did not follow my rule where I trade short below this and trade bullish above this. So 3 strikes and I'm clearly out. So everybody, have a good day. It's Friday. Have a great weekend and catch you on Sunday for Sunday top down Sundays, and Monday pre-market analysis on Nasdaq as usual from Monday to Friday, and live 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time until 10:30. Have a good day, everyone. Ciao.